Load your family into the 2019 Ford Escape. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a power rear cargo door, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.